Okay, so JavaScript auto-closing tags. Enable, disable automatic closing of JSX tags. Requires using TypeScript 3 or newer in the workspace. So this is only relevant for JSX, which means React templates. So let me show you what this looks like. If we set this to true, which is the default value, when you use a tag and you close it with the greater than character, it will auto-close it, right? If you set this to false and you try that again, when you use the greater than character, nothing, right? You would have to write that by hand, even though you still have autocomplete when you use the, what do you call this thing? The right slash. You'll get the autocomplete because it detects, VS Code detects that you're trying to close a tag. Anyway, this feature is very useful, so I'm going to leave this one as true.